Hello everyone, friends, welcome to you all. Before we start our AutoCAD lessons, I want to show you how to download AutoCAD and how to get the student version. Now, when you type Autodesk in your browser, look at the first page that comes up, Autodesk's own page. Let's click here. The Autodesk page opens. Look, there is a login option at the top right. Let's click Login. If you have registered before, you can enter your email here, then click Next, enter your password, and continue. But if you have not logged in before, look here. It says Create Account. Let's click there. It asks us for some information. Name, surname, email, password. Then we will click I accept the terms and say Create Account. After entering your information, click on Create Account once and we see that the account has been created. If you want to be notified of news or events from Autodesk, you can check the box here. Let's say it's done without checking. Now we will receive an email to our Gmail. An email from Autodesk came. Let's click to verify the email here. A notification came that the account was verified. Let's say it's done. We have become a member of the Autodesk site. Let's type AutoCAD in the search bar. AutoCAD is available in the first option that appears here. Let's click here. Then click on the free trial version below. Select Training from the window that opens and click on Training Community. Then select AutoCAD from below. Let's click Select below the part that says Student. Then on this page that opens, let's make the role in the training Student and enter the date of birth below. Then let's say Continue. In the next step, it will ask for address information, the country you live in, the address of your home or school, it doesn't matter. There is no need to enter the full address of the house. It is enough to give only the neighborhood, street, city, and postal code. After entering the city and postal code in the school information, let's choose the type of institution, university or high school. Let's choose university. The name of the university is required, and in the school's website section, it wants the address starting with HTTPS from your university or school page. Copy it and paste it here. In the next step, it asks for the graduation date. If your graduation date is not certain, you can enter an estimated value. Afterwards, let's select this information is correct below and say Continue. There is one last step left. Let's say Continue from here. In this step, we are directed to the page of our university. Let's log in here with the student email given by our university. Then say OK, accept and close this window. In the window that opens like this, it says that we can use it for a year on the side. Let's say Send from here. And as you can see, we have received our student license. Then let's write AutoCAD in the search bar. Let's say Enter. At the very beginning, AutoCAD is written. Let's click there. There is an upload button there. If you click on it, it will download the latest version of AutoCAD, version 2026. 2026 has just come out, but since we are using 2025 in this course, let's examine that now. Look, there is a small arrow next to the part that says Install. Let's click there. Let's click on the custom installation below. Then let's choose AutoCAD in the window that opens. Look, the latest version and specific version are written on the right side. Let's click on specific version. In the window that opens, let's select AutoCAD 2025 from the top. Let's select AutoCAD at the top here. Then let's say Next. Let's write AutoCAD 2025 in the package name. From there, accept the terms, click the download button, and the download of AutoCAD 2025 will start right now. It will download a small file first. Let's double-click on AutoCAD 2025 from the Downloads section. The file is being prepared now. When you say Install from below, the download will start. Of course, since I already have the 2025 version, I will not download it now. Yes, friends, in this lesson, we saw how to download and install AutoCAD 2025. Let's move on to our next lesson without slowing down and start our commands. See you in our next lesson.